Principal's the only person who can make things happen school-wide. School-wide, 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 school-wide. That's it. You can get support from your district team, but you're the only one that can make it happen school-wide. And I call that, that's part of the blessed burden of the principalship, is making things happen school-wide. And to me, it's the most important, like one of the most important functions, because that's the one thing you can do that no one else can do. All right? You can have great coaches with great pedagogy. You can have awesome teams and pockets, but no one can make anything happen school-wide. I don't care how great your coach is. Your coach doesn't have the positional authority. I was going to say hammer, but I'm going to be more tactful. And listen, the hammer's the last thing you want to use. You want to use influence. You want to use, it's like collective peer pressure in terms of the mission we're on. But, one of the things we'll talk about tomorrow is like the last step of the process is you have to demand it. But that's not how we start. So when I say we're the only one that makes things happen school-wide, I'm not saying we're going and drop an anvil on teachers. I'm saying that's one thing that makes the principalship special.